up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a protein-packed smoothie bowl. I'm so excited to be making this video because I literally eat something similar to this. Maybe not the exact same fruits every single time, but I always eat a protein smoothie bowl every single night. So I'm going to show you how I make it. So just keep on watching if you'd like to see more. First thing that I do is I start off with my milk. Now I'm using this Ninja blender that comes with this little thing that you can twist while you're making your smoothie bowls. It's meant for smoothie bowls, but you can do this with any type of blender. Before I had this, I used any other blender and I would just stop and kind of shake things through. And I really like this because it actually has a line down here. You probably can't see it, but it has like a fill line for liquid and then a max line for all the rest of your ingredients. So that's kind of what I use to gauge my smoothie bowls. No worries though, if you don't have one of these, I will be putting the measurements towards the end of the video so that you can make it with whatever type of blender that you have at home. So first things first, I'm going to start with my liquid. I'm using creamy cashew milk, and I don't actually fill it up all the way to that fill line. I just do right under it because I don't want it to get super liquidy. I want my smoothie bowl to be nice and thick. And then what I do is I go ahead and start adding fruit. So today I'm using dragon fruit and strawberries. Sometimes I'll just do strawberries, but today I want to do a little mixture. So I'm gonna add my dragon fruit. Ooh, so pink. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some strawberries on here. I don't want to pack it in too much as I pack it in even more. Then what I like to do is add some PB2, just a little bit. It doesn't actually make it taste like peanut butter, but I feel like it helps to make it a little bit thicker. So I just add about a small little teaspoon or so. And then last but not least, I actually add some whey protein. So I'm usually switching between whey protein. This is not sponsored, okay? But I do enjoy the Alani new whey protein. Right now, I'm using the confetti cake. I really enjoy doing the blueberry muffin one. That one's my all-time favorite. So that's what I'm gonna be buying next because I'm almost out of it. And for this bad boy, I actually do like to measure it out. Even though it has like the scooper, it's not always a perfect serving. So I personally like to just go ahead and weigh it out because that is 30. Oh, actually this happened to be a perfect scoop, of course. So there's a full scoop of protein in there. So all that's left to do is for me to just cover it up, and then all I have to do is add it onto my blender. And this actually has a smoothie option. You can't see it right now, but I'll show you. So it has a smoothie extract, and then I usually just put it at bowl. And then while I'm mixing it, I'm turning this top lever at the same time. So you'll be able to see just how quick it happens. I didn't even do the whole time because I already know that it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out and get my toppings to plate this up. So I have my bowl ready, and I usually actually just eat it out of here because I don't like to do extra dishes. But for you guys, I will go ahead and plate this up for you. Look at how pretty that is. All that I just do is top it off with my favorite toppings. So I do a little bit of granola. I do some chia seeds, Just a small little sprinkle. I add some additional fruit just because I like a little extra bite of something. And I really like these. I actually got these from Target. They're toasted coconut chips, but I'm sure that you can probably find them anywhere. And then last but not least, some peanut butter. I do have this big old one from Costco because I love peanut butter. I need to have some every single day. And I do weigh this out just because you can go a little bit overboard. So this is half a serving right there. And that is it. That is my smoothie bowl. Look at how pretty that is. That color is just so beautiful. Obviously, you guys do not need to go overboard and add all these different toppings. You could literally just eat the bowl by itself and it is already super, super protein packed. I just love to go the extra mile and love texture and love the pieces of extra fruit on top. Let's go ahead and take a bite. I always like to grab just like a little bit of peanut butter, granola, and usually my fruit will melt a little bit as I'm like eating it, so I'm able to cut through it a little bit easier, but here we go. So good. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that color. Protein packed, lots of fiber, great carbs. Honestly, really great to just consume after a workout, but I eat this every night before bed. So eat it whenever you want. Let me know if you make this. I will go ahead and add the recipe for you so you guys can make it yourselves. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like to see more videos like these. I'd love to make more smoothie bowls for you guys and even more recipes for you guys if you're interested. Totally anabolic, so you're definitely gonna be making those gains, you know. If you wanna keep cooking with Kat, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.